So, how good are parrotfish at eating algae in your reef tank? Well, let's have a look at this one in my reef and see what he's up to. Right, there he is, over there, and basically he's a bit startled at the moment because the camera and also the tusk fish. Let's let him settle down and see what he does. How many times he pops? Pop, 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 all the time. Literally, that's all he does. Pop, 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 pop. This tank is a 5 by 3 by 2. We have a sump down here which is 3 by 2 by 2. We have a tank down here which is 3 by 20 by 2. We have a clam tank up here which is 2 by 2 by 2. Another tank which it drains into, so it's all connected. Just going back to the parrotfish. Awesome. A little bit of argy-bargy. I've had tangs, parrotfish, rabbitfish, and this fish is the most, well, the best fish ever for cleaning algae, in my opinion, in my tank. Here he goes again. Popping, 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 popping all the time.